In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move labels inside or below a bar chart in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, what you need to do is open the Tableau app. Tableau is a powerful tool for creating interactive data visualizations, and we'll be using it to modify our bar chart labels today. Once you have Tableau open, the next step is to access your worksheet. This is where we'll be making all our adjustments. Make sure your data is loaded properly, as this is crucial for the steps ahead. Next, begin by dragging the region field to the rows shelf. This organizes your data into rows based on region, providing a clear view of your data distribution. Once that's set, the same action is required for the segment field. Drag it onto the rows shelf. This adds another layer of detail to your visualization, further refining how your data is segmented. Now it's time to bring your sales data front and center by dragging it to the column shelf. This will plot your sales data along the bars you're about to craft. To add dynamic interaction within the chart, duplicate the sales data by pressing and holding the Ctrl key while dragging sales once again. This action creates a second version, which we'll tweak in a little bit to facilitate the label movement. Continuing on, right-click on this duplicate of sales and select Dual Axis. Dual axes allow you to use two different kinds of charts at the same time. Very handy for the effect we're going for. Switch gears now by modifying the type of visualization. For the second, sum sales, on the marks card, switch the type to a Gantt bar chart. This change is pivotal since the Gantt bar will be responsible for how the labels are displayed. Flip back to the first sum sales and update this one to a regular bar chart. This juxtaposition of Gantt and bar charts is the backbone of our label movement. Head back to the second sum sales and drag sales into the text box. This ensures your data labels will be shown within the chart. Want those labels to pop? Click on text and change the font color to white. This will make sure your labels stand out clearly against the chart. Align the text to the left for a consistent, neat appearance. Next, pay attention to your axes. Right-click the bottom axis and select Synchronize Axis to ensure both scales match up perfectly, maintaining the integrity of your visualization. Then, right-click once more to open Edit Axis. Here, you'll want to select Custom and set the fixed start value to 0, a crucial step to ground your chart. Finally, confirm all changes by clicking OK, and there you have it. Your bar chart now has labels effectively positioned inside or below, enhancing its readability and aesthetic appeal. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful.